If I had to describe Clinique La Prairie in one word, it would be transformational. When I arrived here, I felt extremely exhausted. I'd been traveling non-stop, and this year had been extremely intense workload-wise. So yeah, I was very much looking forward to my stay here at Clinique La Prairie. The reason I chose the Brain Potential program is because I train very hard physically, I work very hard, but I don't necessarily take care of my brain. So from that standpoint, it was how can I expand on my mental clarity and also the cognitive function of my brain too. The second you step into the front door of Clinique La Prairie, you realise it's an incredibly luxurious experience. But it's not about that. It's about the experience and the medical expertise of the staff and all of the learnings that you're going to gather when you leave. My stay at Clinique La Prairie has been very interesting. When you arrive, it's very test heavy. So you're running through all the various blood tests, CT scans, MRIs, and it's focusing predominantly on the testing phase. But later on in the week, it focuses more on treatments, relaxation, sitting with the doctor and understanding all of those various tests and what they mean to you and your various and the program. An eye-opening moment for me was sitting with the nutritionist, not just to understand the importance of nutrition for my day-to-day health and longevity, but equally to understand the potential it has for your brain and to enhance the capabilities of your mental performance. At the end of the program, compared to when I arrived, was just day and night. That brain fog that I arrived with following burnout had just totally lifted. I felt energized. I felt I understood my body, I understood my brain better. I just felt totally relaxed, ready to head home and back to work, fully energized. During my stay, I've had multiple messages from friends on social media and asking me over WhatsApp how the experience has been. And I would absolutely recommend this program to anybody looking to improve their mental clarity, performance, and understand more about their brain and how they can ensure that they keep it healthy as they age.